go.
Hello! This is a physics problem. A rock is thrown horizontally off of a cliff 50 meters high at a velocity of 50 meters per second. Where will it land? At what speed horizontally and vertically? How much time would it take? This is what we know. We know that it's going at 50 meters per second at a horizontal speed, and we know that it's starting off at 50 meters high. And so the first thing we want to do is find out how long it would take. And we can do this by using this equation. Then we use algebra to solve for t, and it ends up.
It is your fault. It is your fault.
And the time ends up being 3.194 seconds. And since it's in this, since the object will continue along, will have the same time, it will be 3.194 on this side also. And because of that, we can now solve for the distance, which is one of the things we're supposed to find, by using this equation, which is written up there. And this ends up being 50 equals 3.194 under the distance. And then we use algebra and we multiply 3.194 by 50. And that is our distance, which ends up being 159.7 meters. Then we also need to solve for the speed horizontally and vertically. We already have the time, and we already have where it will land, how far away from the base of the cliff. So, logically, the horizontal speed is not affected at all. So, the velocity horizontal is 50 meters per second still. And the velocity vertical, which is going down because of gravity, would be equal to, based off of this equation, which is velocity is 9.8 t. We just used the t that we had from before, which is 3.194. Multiply that by 9.8. That's our velocity, and that ends up being 31.301 meters per second. And that is the problem.